Dogecoin has been all the rage since its commencement. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? Or on the other hand, how high will Dogecoin go? With the unpredictability and variances in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at this long time? Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024. As indicated by our Dogecoin Expectation 2024, the image coin might have least and greatest costs of around $0.85 and $26 individually. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. When it is 2025, our Dogecoin gauge proposes that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of $1.39 with a base cost of $25. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. According to our Doge cost forecast, it is normal that the image token might exchange at a most extreme cost of $0.82 with a base cost of $0.57 in 2030. History of Dogecoin, which isolates the Dogecoin establishment from most other altcoins in the cryptographic money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other digital currencies are figured out to such an extent that they have a hard stock cap of monetary forms. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a well-disposed, more receptive type of cryptographic money that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image. Dogecoin's cost has colossal potential. With a sort of popularity rising, Dogecoin's presence is tremendous contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no extraordinary preparation. Well disposed to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is presently simple. Thus, use of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the fame and fan wave that twirls around it. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This computerized money's dynamic and ardent worth wins around a quality of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most significant level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Notwithstanding the historical backdrop of tempests and twisters in the digital money world, there is a fair future. Notwithstanding, nothing can be sure in the digital currency space, and that is the point at which our cryptographic money cost conjecture comes into the image. Dogecoin's complete market cap is exchanging around $11,618,492,175 and is currently the 9th greatest advanced money on the planet. At present, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.9293, with an exchanging volume of $606.56. The ongoing stock is at 142.04B Doge, while the complete flowing inventory is 142.04B. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a tremendous change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ath in May 2021, it denoted an enormous fall over the long haul. Nonetheless, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a fair recuperation. The Doge cost penniless the prompt obstruction with no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the urgent obstruction of $0.99 and surprisingly succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the cost of Doge began to exchange beneath the opposition. Specialized markers recommend that the image coin needs some more purchaser backing to support the positive excursion. Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the cost of Dogecoin flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin cryptographic money and considered it a group's coin on various events. Elon Musk's ceaseless help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been useful to the coin. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin Doge may not be a productive venture, and they anticipate that the cost of Dogecoin should be around $0.318 by long-term end. Conversely, the cost examination and Dogecoin value forecast of computerized coin cost recommend that the coin will go up to $20 in 2024. Taking a gander at the ongoing positively trending business sector of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another record-breaking high in the impending years. Indeed, even specialists of Changely additionally foresee that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin Doge will reach $0.47 by 2030. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024. According to the Doge Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be $22 in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a most extreme cost of $28 and a base cost of $85. Doge expectations 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a most extreme and least market cost of around $39 and $25. In correlation, the typical cost may be around $32 toward the finish of 2025. Doge value forecast 2026. As per the Dogecoin cost estimate, it might hit a most extreme cost of $45 and a base exchanging cost of around $30 for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around $38. An enormous convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Doge forecast 2027. As indicated by our Dogecoin cost examination, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at $51, which additionally is the greatest worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around $35. Running against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps $43. Dogecoin gauge 2028. Indeed, even in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto space, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin Doge cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the greatest worth of $57, with a base cost of $40. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be $49. Dogecoin value forecast 2029. Our Doge value history and expectations uncover that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between $47 to $63, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost, while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps $55. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. In light of our Dogecoin Doge cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least cost of $82 and $57. The typical cost might be around $69, with a fair rate change for the year 2030. The market cap might have risen essentially toward the finish of 2030. It can't be disregarded the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a decent inflationary cash, which makes it inseparable from certifiable government-issued money. This exceptional trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to store substantial resources and bank on greater liquidity since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary standards. With huge load of cash driving the crypto world wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see a significant flood in its ongoing worth. Dogecoin costs are supposed to hit new highs later on. Nonetheless, our speculation exhortation is that financial backers should be cautious while putting resources into image coins like Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin hit $1? As per our cost expectation and examining past execution, it seems to be the cost of Doge will take a piece longer to hit $1. Yet the cost will cross the $1 mark before the year's end 2035. Is Doge